Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to download Play Store in laptop. Well, to do that, choose an Android emulator. You can choose some popular options including BlueStacks, Nox Player, and Memo Play. These emulators are free to download and use it. After downloading the emulator's installer, run it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your laptop or personal computer. This may take few minutes. Once the emulator is installed, launch it. During the initial setup, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account or create a new one. This step is important because it links your emulator to your Google account, allowing you to access the Play Store. After completing the setup, you'll find yourself in an Android-like environment within the emulator. This is where you can use Android apps, including the Play Store. You'll see the Play Store icon on the emulator's home screen or app drawer. Click on the Play Store icon to open it. You'll be greeted with the familiar Play Store interface, similar to what you see on Android device. You can now search for apps and games, read reviews, and download them. And that's how to download Play Store in laptop. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.